Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add admin to your Facebook page. It's very easy. Just log into a browser and log into your Facebook page. I'm going to show you how you can log into your Facebook page from your Facebook account. I'm just switching to my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account. I'm going to switch it to my Facebook page. You can easily switch it to your Facebook page. Just click on here in the right hand side corner, and you will find your Facebook page here. This is my Facebook page. I will just simply click to it, and it will easily switch it to my Facebook page. So it is taking to my Facebook page. Now I'm going to change the admin. I want to add an admin to my Facebook page. So I'll go to Petco here on the left hand side corner. There you will find manage page. Okay, from here click on the right three button here. Go to page status. Scroll down and there you can find more about page admins. Click on page admins. Now you will see people with task access, people with Facebook access. So I will click on people with Facebook access and click on add new. Click on next, and now I want to add my friend Sami to this Facebook page. So okay, now I want to add my friend. So I will just simply click on here and give access. If I just simply click on give access, it will automatically, it just needed a password. I'll just give my password. So this, I have sent an invitation to her, and if she accept the invitation, it will automatically add her as an admin to this Facebook page. So it's so much easy, and it's I have shown you with the very simple steps. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Do let us know what kind of Facebook videos you like from us. Thank you.